Chef KG1 over here.
Yeah.
Yep. Hooking up some chicken right over here. Got a whole chicken. He just seasoned up this chicken. Yeah. Got some nice seasoning on that around there. Oh, what we got over here though, Kingston? What we got over here?
We got some bacon, onions, and cheese on it. So.
Oh yeah.
And we got some breadcrumbs to get more flavor.
Some seasonings on it. Yeah. Now I'm about to stuff that chicken with all of this right over here.
Yeah.
Make some goodness going on right over here.
The chicken butt. I don't.
No, that's just the chicken opening. But we he calls it the chicken butt. Well, actually, that's down there where the chicken butt is. So anyway, there it is. Yeah. Hey, if you talking about keeping it 100% real, go ahead and look at this here. That's what it is right there.
Yeah.
You see the legs right there, right? See the arms right over there. The head all the way up there. So what this?
What the heck? The head's not there though.
Yeah, ain't no head there. So you already know what this is. All right. So stuff it up.
Right now?
Stuff it. Put them in.
Like,
put them up in there. That's right. Go ahead and get that up in there. Stuff that up in there. Okay, go get another handful. Yeah, that's what I used to do for Thanksgiving. That's how I started cooking. Helping, grandma and daddy.
Stuff it up.
And mom. That's right. And your great grandmother. Yep. Well, great grandmother, she lived upstairs, and sometimes she came down on Thanksgiving, but her food was already cooked. So mainly it was my mother and my father, which is grandma and granddaddy Leon. And grandma, she used to come down sometimes too, and also help cook. So yeah, there were times that we all did cook together. But grandma, she was a great cook. Stuff that up in there. Try to push that all the way up in there. Try to get those onions. Put that bacon up in there. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Yeah, you got more right over here. You got more right over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Stuff it.
Yeah, stuff it in. Get some more. That's all right. Get some more. All right, now get some more. Get a handful. Get some more. Get another handful. Get some more. All right, now that's good. That's right. Now hold on 1 second. Now put it in there like this here and pat it up in there. Yeah, pat it up in there. Get some more of this right over here. Yeah. Now you start patting it up in there. Start patting. No. But don't like smack it. But just pat it. Just hold it right up in there. That's right. Right. Make it smooth right there. That's good. Now come back over here. Get some more. That's right. Get it all up in there. All right. Be nice with it. There. Put it right there. That's good. Just like that. Right there. Now come on. Get some more. Finish this all out. That's right, we're gonna get all of this here. Get the rest. Get it, do it with both hands. Get all of this here. Get the rest of this here. Get it all together with your fingers. Yeah, get all of that out of there. Get all that goodness, all that seasoning out of there. That's right. Just right. Just put it right on top, right there. There you go. That's good. Now pull this more to the middle. Pull the chicken over there. There we go. Leave it right there. All right, we got it. All right, we're about to put this up in the oven right over here. You know what I'm saying? Get it all caramelized right quick. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be real nice. It's gonna be real delicious and all that good stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All right, we'll be back in.